All right, perfect. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cam scan your trades packets documents and upload them into your Google Drive folder for your customer. So first things first, let's open up the CamScanner app. We'll open it on up. Now, if you're like me and you have the free version, we're going to get a lot of ads that kind of pop up that we can ignore. So we want to do a new cam scan. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the photo button in the bottom right hand corner. Now we're going to make sure everything is in batch mode. So that is what that guy right there in the double that I'm clicking on, where it shows the two little images down there. So that means now we can take multiple photos at one time. So we're going to start off with the production ready packet. Now what we want to make sure is that our camera is not tilted, because if we tilt it to the side, you see how the camera tilts even when it's zoomed in this way? That will make our document come in crooked. We need to make sure that it is tilted the correct way so the camera is facing that way. So photo 1, and we just move our next document, put that there. I'm going to do a kind of a bad one, so this will give us an ability to crop here. There we go. And the last thing, the customer responsibilities form. So these are normally all filled out when you're adding these in there. Now once we take the photos of these, we're going to click that little check mark. So we'll click that. Now we want to review our photos and make sure everything is cropped correctly. So if we look at this first one, that shows everything looks good there. With the second one, this is not cropped well, so we need to make sure we go in and crop this. So how we do this, so near the top right hand corner, there is a couple buttons that we need to click. So we'll click this one right next to the share, and that's the crop button. Now you can just crop it down to the size that we need in here. And then once you do that, you click the check mark and it will put it to the size that we need. Now on the bottom we have options on what kind of color scale we want. Original, light, and what we want to use is this magic color. So click the check mark there. That is done well. Move over. This one is done well as well. So now to share these, we need to make sure we share these as an individual PDF. So how you do that is you have to click on each one of these photos individually. So the first one, we will click there, and then we will go to the top right and we'll click the share button, PDF, click save to drive, and now we need to find what customer we want to put this in at. So we'll select a folder, we'll go back to my drive. So let's say that this is John Doe's. So we will select John Doe, and then we will click select again, and now that just added in there. And now we have to do it again because of the ad. So on the bottom it said one file saved, so that's how we know that it's done. Okay, now we go back over to the next one, do that same thing, share, PDF, save to drive. Now we'll already have John Doe saved in there. You just click save, and on the bottom it says it's processed, so we're good with that. Swipe over to the next one and do that same exact thing, PDF, drive, and save. So that is how you put your paperwork into your Google Drive folders. On the next one, so I'll show you how you want to do your insurance paperwork. But this is the proper way to do it, so each individual photo that we take comes over as an individual PDF into your Google Drive.